Hi friends, welcome to Lashmi Education Center. Today we are discussing about the topic is elements. First one, hydrogen, symbol H, atomic number 1, mass number 1, valency 1. Second one, helium, symbol He, atomic number 2, mass number 4, valency 0. Third one, lithium, symbol Li, atomic number 3, mass number 7, valency 7. Fourth one, beryllium, symbol Be, atomic number 4, mass number 9, valency 2. Fifth one, boron, symbol B, atomic number 5, mass number 11, valency 3. Sixth one, carbon, symbol C, atomic number 6, mass number 12, valency 4. Seventh one, nitrogen, symbol N, atomic number 7, mass number 14, valency 3. Eighth one, oxygen, symbol O, atomic number 8, mass number 16, valency 2. Ninth one, fluorine, symbol F, atomic number 9, mass number 19, valency 1. 10th one, neon, symbol Ne, atomic number 10, mass number 20, valency 0. 11th one, sodium, symbol Na, atomic number 11, mass number 23, valency 1. 12th one, magnesium, symbol Mg, atomic number 12, mass number 24, valency 2. 13th, aluminium, symbol Al, atomic number 13, mass number 27, valency 3. 14th, silicon, symbol Si, atomic number 14, mass number 28, valency 4. 15th, phosphorus, symbol P, atomic number 15, mass number 31, valency 3. 16th, sulfur, symbol S, atomic number 16, mass number 32, valency 2. 17th, chlorine, symbol Cl, atomic number 17, mass number 35, valency 1. 18th, argon, symbol Ar, atomic number 18, mass number 40, valency 0. 19th, potassium, symbol K, atomic number 19, mass number 39, valency 1. 20, calcium, symbol Ca, atomic number 20, mass number 45, valency 2. 21, scandium, symbol Sc, atomic number 21, mass number 45, valency 3. 22, titanium, symbol Ti, atomic number 22, mass number 48, valency 4. 23, vanadium, symbol V, atomic number 23, mass number 51, valency 5 and 4. 24, chromium, symbol Cr, atomic number 24, mass number 52, valency 2. Next, 25th, manganese, symbol Mn, atomic number 25, mass number 55, valency 247. Next, 26th iron, symbol Fe, atomic number 26, mass number 56, valency 3. Next, 27 cobalt, symbol Co, atomic number 27, mass number 59, valency 3. Next, 28 nickel, symbol Ni, atomic number 28, mass number 59, valency 2. Next, 29 copper, symbol Cu, atomic number 29, mass number 64, valency 2. Next, 13 zinc, symbol Zn, atomic number 30, mass number 65, valency 2. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.